It's not common for our bootcamps to be outside of Boston. Most of the time we conduct our bootcamps at MIT, so being here, it's very special and it is very unique. Right there are some very, very special people. As you know, the bootcamp is not for the faint of heart. First of all, to be here in the classroom, you have to be very motivated. But then you come to the bootcamp and you are exposed to a very unusual challenge of working with a new team to spark a new innovation. And to go through that experience and to produce the very robust plans that you saw today takes a level of dedication, ability to work through conflicts and challenges, ability to just push oneself to the frontier. So it is people like that standing outside who really push the world.
Going through this methodology is so exciting, especially when the participants are so engaged. They see the opportunity to learn all these different methodologies of entrepreneurship, not just within the context of the project that they're working on, but within the context of their careers and where they will go as innovative, principled leaders.
The teamwork aspect is a huge component of the boot camp. There's going to be, they first meet and they're excited. Then there starts conflict. Then there's conflict resolution. Then there's some crying maybe. And, the coaches are coming and helping. So, it's not just about the final pitch and the content and things they're learning. The whole team experience is a huge part of the whole process. And sometimes, like our head coach Ingrid always says, whoever's struggling the most, day 2, day 3, whoever's totally broken down, those teams oftentimes are the finalists, the winners, and have the most transformative experience.
Vrlo vrijedan događaj za Hrvatsku, za znanstvenu zajednicu, a i za nas poduzetnike koji pokušavamo nešto mijenjati. Ovo me totalno očaralo, dakle nisam vjerovao da postoje ljudi koji su spremni cijelu noć ne prospavati i drugi dan stati na stage i nešto ispričati o tome o čemu su razmišljali i tjedan dana. To u našoj znanstvenoj kulturi je zapravo novost i veselim se da neki ljudi to prihvate kao novi standard.
Benefiti su naprosto nevjerojatni i toliko sam sretna i ponosna prvo na sebe što sam preživjela ovo, ali i ponosna na svo znanje koje sam primila ovdje, ali moram reći da je stvarno bilo zahtjevno. Ni u snovima čovjek ne može zamisliti kako je to ne spavati, odnosno spavati 6 dana po 2-3 sata dnevno i davati se znači emocionalno, intelektualno i fizički.
Na MIT Bootcampu je bilo jako emotivno, bilo je jako edukativno, puno toga smo prolazili, izlazili smo van naših gabarita, naučili smo jako puno, mislim da je to jedinstveno iskustvo koje mislim da više nigdje ne mogu ponoviti i stvarno nikada tako nešto nisam niti čuo niti doživio.
My message to future bootcampers is very simple. Start. The hardest part of the entrepreneurial process is just getting started. So don't delay. Start now.